What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae EXO, and I'm back with another video. So today where we going? So today we will be going to Lake Hill for my line sister's father's birthday and cookout because it's Labor Day tomorrow. And I'm just gonna be vlogging today. You know, I don't usually do vlogs on my channel, but I think I'm gonna start. And I have Vicky here. Hello. Turquoise. And Cortland. So yeah, we're just gonna be vlogging throughout the day. We're gonna get Cortland on a boat. We're gonna go fishing.
Get on no damn boat. I told you that.
Why you don't want to get on the boat? He can't swim, so he's scared.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely changing my pants.
Same love as I did last year. Lean part. We got weed, but we gon' need more. The big dog, B54. We can't beat the phone. I can beat the phone. He gon' fix it bone. We don't need a gun.
This hurts. And he looks so uncomfortable.
Hey yo, I was on the plane with the Wayne. You can come and get me, I go to Hill, Maine. Listen, I'm the baddest in the school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me, honey, but nobody's in my lane. And you was in New York.
We have arrived to our destination.
My charger. That's my charger back there. Next funny business right here.
He said funny business. We have arrived to the lake house. Jordan isn't here yet. They was driving way too slow for us, so we had to get out of there. So we're waiting. Well, we're gonna go inside, but she wants us to wait on her, and we're not. We gotta go speak to her family.
Wait on her, bro. These her folk, bro.
So we know her folks too. These my folks. These my folks too.
Oh, we can wait if you want to. Oh wait, I think she right there.
Let's have a dance battle.
Right there.
Sorry, let's have a dance battle.
Okay, what's up?
Period, legs.
Oh, but when they get hyped.
Oh, when they get hyped, you want to hype them up.
Ooh, Lake's killing all y'all right now. So. Ooh, so tight.
That's some of your thought.
She on the pole doing tricks, she the shit, ass off the shit. She know she my bitch, slim thick, ain't no slim quick. We be too lit, I'm the cut, smoking blunt. You put high tech in my blunt, send that make the whole hunt, send that yelling now. Lil' boo, lil' boo, they matter, lil' boo, lil' boo, they matter, lil' boo, lil' boo, they matter, lil' boo, lil' boo, they matter. It's off the juice, it's off the juice. She work, she move, she work, she move. Lil' boo, lil' boo. She work, she work, she moving. Oh, you put that on purpose, huh?
I want to change.
Oh, you look, she work, she
Okay,
Wait, how do you?
I see you watching. What you watching?
I want to get on the boat.
Now throw it back for some.
Let's get the lake, y'all.
I want to go fishing though.
I do want to go fishing. Look at the lake.
I was a part of that crew. Baby, last Christmas, my cousin Christmas juice with a bottle. Not Christmas. I'm the last one to turn 21.
It's nice.
Baby, this is nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is my rich line sister because this is her festivity. Yup. Look.
Baby.
Look at that house. Home on the range. Where the deer and the buff. Oh. I thought it was buffalo. Bless you. Rich ass.
Baby.
This a little sturdy. Okay.
I want to get on it next.
Next.
No, she She's already knows.
Yo, this is nice. It was 2 hours and 17 minutes.
Saying the distance to Savannah.
Savannah's not an hour and a half anyway.
Savannah don't matter.
Savannah is in goddamn.
But we in Atlanta.
Is it a problem? Do you want to go home?
I mean, I'm here now.
Just turn around.
I'm not gonna let her ruin my day, baby. I'm leaving today. By the water. I'm back to a boat.
I hope everyone's legs secure.
I don't have to worry about it.
My lash is not.
It's not, but I haven't had it.
I would get secure.
So y'all, wait, let me get my pillow together. Wait. We're about to go on a boat ride. Jordan's auntie's son is about to take us on a boat ride around the lake.
Oh, your mom not here?
The ladder. I didn't know you wanted to because there's a ladder I got. I would have brought it if I knew you wanted to jump off.
Go ahead. Where your phone at?
Can you come back out?
Oh!
It's warm as hell. It's like bath water.
It ain't really just jumped off.
There you go. Yeah.
Jump one more time. Jump one more time. Do a flip. Who next?
Yeah, all y'all swimmers who be.
You gonna float back up.
He not jumping. I don't want him jumping.
Sorry, go ahead. Your wig not coming back.
It's real warm. It's real warm. Like real warm.
Don't feel me.
You didn't want to jump in? Jordan. Y'all gotta jump together.
Y'all want to go, Jordan? Stand up paddle?
I asked them, they said they don't want to do it.
Stand up paddle, what's that?
You gonna give me some too?
How you know what I'm gonna go get?
Cause I know. We're eating.
Jordan still got the,
You should have
Just leave him alone. Yeah, just leave him alone.
Jordan still got his, what you call it?
Yeah, just leave him alone for a minute. Yeah, they mad now.
Hello? Oh, they made the wasp man?
No, please.
My head itch. These braids gotta come out, sweetie.
I let you pay 500.
I did.
Wait, baby, you just did them right. Ain't nothing wrong with them.
They itch.
Get you some sea breeze. You need to at least keep it to the middle.
I thought sea breeze for your face.
It can be for your safe and your scalp.
It's a what?
Astringent.
Oh. Ain't that like witch hazel? Ain't witch hazel
Because we don't have my. It works wonders on time.
But don't put witch hazel in your hair.
but you said it's an astringent. I have witch hazel.
DJ.
I hate when she do that. Wipe your mouth.
These are. They got more. This.
No, look at this. Put it down. Put them down. He's trying to tell me that this one has more than this one.
Pour, get your fork and put a little.
No, I'll just take this one.
I made this one a little. They said we couldn't get a lot.
Okay, well, thank you.
All right, let me just put a little.
Sweetie, no. Thank you. Y'all, we are about to leave Jordan's house. Classes got canceled on Tuesday and on Wednesday. Mine do be out of class Monday because it's Labor Day. So that's a 5-day weekend for me.
Period.
That's a 5-day weekend for me, but we about to head back now. We're gonna make a stop in Macon to go to Walmart because I heard Walmart is like hectic right now. So we're gonna make a stop in Macon to go to Walmart and and then we're gonna go back to school. And everybody talking about hurricane parties because Erica said they having one tomorrow.
That's sad. We in the world where niggas celebrate hurricane.
Hurricane. What's it called, Cortland?
Hurricane.
I didn't know that you were going by yourself.
She
Vicky left her keys in the house, so she had to walk back down the hill to go get her keys. I didn't know.
I'm glad you're careless.
Yeah, I was gonna walk too, so let's leave them and then we all.
Shut up.
Anyway, we're about to
But
go.
y'all line sisters though.
And I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog because I'm tired of
Wait, let me say bye.
picking this camera up.
Don't put me in.
Stop showing birds.
Hey, Vaughn.
Please edit her
Hey,
out.
don't step on my pecan swirl.
All right, I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog here because I don't feel like picking it back up again. I'm about to go to sleep until we get back to school. So I will see y'all in my next video. So until next time.
Love and